Terima kasih sudah mengunjungi video ini. Jangan lupa untuk like, subscribe, dan share. Karena subscribe itu free. Subscribe gratis. Beneran gratis. Karena dengan subscribe Anda telah membantu saya untuk terus berkarya. Enjoy the walk. Hai, Assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah, kita jumpa lagi. Kesempatan kali ini saya akan mencoba untuk membuat video bagaimana reaksi teman kita dari India tentang video Ariel Noah. Ini di atas kapal ini kita bikin kayak gini supaya melancarkan bahasa Inggris kita. Gimana bisa berbahasa Inggris? Jadi caranya mungkin kita perhatiannya mendengarkan lagu. Oke, sekarang kita coba tanya dulu. My friend, where you from?
I'm from India, the part of Goa.
And you?
Goa.
Me also from India, Kerala.
Can you say hello by India?
Yeah, hello.
In
I'm
India
from
language?
Goa.
Namaste, something like that?
Namaste.
Namaste.
Assalamualaikum.
Okay, now we will start this song. This guy, he was artist from Indonesia, and before he very famous,
Yeah.
and he want to expand his go to abroad, not only Indonesia. Now he start make a video by Japanese language. So I want to know you how you reaction about this video. So this guy before was as good Indian like what is it? You see him before in India? His face?
No.
So what do you think about this guy? First impression? Good, yeah? Nice voice.
Yeah, he have a very nice voice. He can be a popular anyway. His impression also is good.
Good, yeah?
Yeah.
How you know how old is guy?
No?
You can guess how much? How old is guy?
Maybe 21, 22.
You know around 22?
Huh?
This, I think 36 or 37
Yeah,
something.
he is looking young.
Yeah.
Like Filipino, Indonesian, they are looking very young. You cannot make out their age.
It just looks like a kid.
Like it, huh?
Yeah.
So how you feel about this sound? Good sound or something?
People nice music also, but
Let's
you
see.
don't understand the lyrics.
Problem only can understand, yeah?
Yeah.
This Japanese language.
From your place?
No, different place, but same Indonesia.
Yeah.
But his parent close to me,
Yeah.
from Sumatera also. But now he live in Bandung, Jakarta. So possible he can.
Yeah, here use was I can say this instrument also is good. Yeah, very good instrument also.
Good, yeah?
Yeah, good instrument.
Good instrument, yeah? Good voice also, yeah?
And which they showed this backlight also is also.
Oh, very good backlight also.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Something.
Before he was popular, he was a band, but now he tried to look like solo. There's just three guys. These two guys, you don't know. But this one, before he was a vocalist in one band, he's very popular before.
So this is a studio, right?
Look like in studio. I don't know where is now.
It looks like studio.
Studio, yeah. Yeah, he tried to make decorate like some look like the studio.
But different.
Different, ya.
They're using only guitar, right?
Ya, gitar and flute.
No jazz, no drum.
No, only this one. Easy to say what is easy to listen, ya.
That's why it's cool.
Cool, ya. Okay. So,
Okay. It's very good.
very good, ya.
I love music also.
So,
Very
you know,
good. There is future. Good.
Good,
Best
yeah.
of luck. Okay.
Very good.
In my
Okay.
country also, the part of Goa, we love music.
okay. What about you?
Okay, it's good.
Yeah. We are the music lovers.
Nice voice
Yeah.
also.
So maybe this
Okay,
guy
best
can
of
go,
luck.
go outside, ya. Can go international, ya. Looks
Yeah.
like, ya.
We can go. Yeah.
Okay.
It will take step by step.
Step by
Best
step.
of luck.
Okay, see you.
Assalamualaikum.
Baiklah, ini this video I upload YouTube, no problem bro, ya.
No.
Okay. Do so for
And I will.
no, nothing. Only for social media. I will upload it. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
It will take step by step.
Step by
Best
step.
of luck.
Okay, see you.
Assalamualaikum. See you.
Thank you so
God
much.
bless you.
Sampai jumpa lagi di video berikutnya.